Hello, students. Let's look at this problem together. The Smith family lives in McAllen, Texas. The family consists of 4 people. The following table shows the monthly expenses per month incurred by the Smith family. Mr. Smith works 180 hours per month and earns $12 per hour. Is Mr. Smith's salary enough to cover the monthly needs of his family? So again, our question, is Mr. Smith's salary enough to cover the monthly needs of his family? So the first thing we're going to want to do is look at the table that they gave us for the budget and find the monthly total, which we do not have. So we're going to find the sum of all of the expenses to get our total. Let's go ahead and do that now. So this is going to be 5. And then we have 0, 5, 12, 17, 25, 29, 38, carry 3. 3 plus 6 is 9, 13, 15, 19, 23, 26, 28. So it looks like the Smiths family have a monthly budget of $2,885. So we know what they spend each month or what they need to pay each month. So now let's look at his income. The income is the money that he is making. So we know that Mr. Smith works 180 hours per month and he earns $12 per hour. So we know 180 hours were worked, and each and every one of those hours he gets paid $12 for them. So we can multiply 180 times 12. If we wanted to look at that in the form of equation, which we should practice writing, we know that the amount that he needs in a month is what he gets paid, $12 per hour. And in a month, we found out that he works 180 hours. So that is why we are multiplying 180 times 12 to figure out his monthly income. So let's go ahead and multiply that out. We have 0. 8 times 2 is 16, so we'll carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 more is 3. We're going to put a placeholder here because we're done with the 2. And now we're going to multiply everything by 1. So 0 times 1, 8 times 1, 1 times 1. We can add up our rows. And we figure out that in a month, Mr. Smith makes $2,160. So now we're going to answer our question. Is Mr. Smith's salary enough to cover the monthly needs? So remember, he needs $2,885. He makes $2,160. So he makes less than what he needs. So we know he does not have enough. So the answer has to be no. Okay, so we know B is out and D is out. He does not make enough money. So now let's look at the justification part of it. A says no, because the monthly budget is $2,885 and Mr. Smith earns $2,160 monthly. And letter C says no, because the monthly budget is $2,885 and Mr. Smith earns $1,950 monthly. So I've used the colors to highlight. We know that both of them have the correct monthly budget, but which one has the correct monthly earnings? A. A matches what we had. We had 2,160, just like this, not 1,950. So C is incorrect, and our correct answer is A.